welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have another unboxing for you, and this is the Lookfantastic Beauty box for the month of February. So we got this pretty pink color box, really nice, and together with this I also received a discount coupon code for the Ocado supermarket. If you are living in UK, you can use those discount codes for redeem a discount. So minimum spend is £60 and maximum reward is £25, and also you can offer to your friend, to one of your friends, this. I will link those down below on the description box. Just click on show more and it will be displayed. Returning to the Lookfantastic Beauty box, if you never heard about it and you didn't watch my previous videos, I will link the entire Lookfantastic playlist on the description box as well. But if you don't know anything about the Lookfantastic Beauty box, basically this is a monthly subscription which delivers you 6 beauty items, and the total cost for the box it is £15 per month. Now the shipping is free within entire world, so it is free shipping worldwide, and they also offer a discount of the monthly subscription box in case that you are subscribing for a longer period. They have available 3, 6 and 12 months subscription. Right now in February I just finished my 1-year subscription, so I have to renew my subscription for the next 12 months, and I'll also use the Quidco retail cashback site to redeem my £20 cashback bonus. So I will link all the information down below in the description box. What I really like about this box, it is that it has a mix of skincare and also makeup. There are months and months, and also depends on your personal preferences. For example, last month it was mostly skincare, but it was some hit and miss items. So I hope this month we will have a better box. It wasn't bad. So usually in every month you find at least 1 or 2 products that are really worth trying, and during those 2.5, almost 3 years since I'm subscribed on Lookfantastic Beauty box, I had the chance to try really amazing products that I will never have thought of them, and I will never pay the full price to try them. This is my single subscription for the moment, but I will not give up to it in a long time. If they will not change it and it will not be bad, they will not put like junk items, I will not have any reason to not subscribe every year. So if I miss some other information, it will be everything as usually linked down below. I think I said already 5 times like everything linked down below. So I have only 43 minutes left on my card. I have filmed before a get ready with me for this look that I'm wearing now. So let's move quicker. So as usually we have here a quote from Lookfantastic, and this is really nice for this month. They are saying, "Love is like the sunshine trickling through clouds on a rainy day, inescapable and ever present." We have the booklet, and here we have the sneak peek of the next month. Oh my god, I cannot believe this. The sneak peek for the next month, it is the ordinary hyaluronic acid 2%. So I just finished this like a month ago, and let me grab it for you because I have it in the bathroom. So I think it's the same. Yeah, hyaluronic acid 2% B5. Yeah, so it is the same. So the theme of this February month, it is the romance edition. Share the love this February with this romance theme Lookfantastic Beauty box. This February we are celebrating all things romance, from the female friendship that you can't imagine your life without, to embracing that special someone is the season of love for the Beautybox. We carefully curated a selection of beauty products perfect for this month, designed to help you create a look that radiates confidence. We are also sharing the love with this month's exclusive Beautybox magazine, where we are sharing our tips on hosting a Valentine's Day brunch that your friends won't forget, the best shades of blush for each skin tone, and the Beautybox themes for first date essentials. Join us as we are celebrating this season of love this February. As every month we are getting the Elle magazine. Here is the box, it's everything pretty. I know that we have a sneak peek for the last month, and I also seen one of the brands. It was featured on the Instagram, on one of the person that I'm following on Instagram, but I just know the brand, I don't know what product it is. I just hope that is not that one that I'm thinking of. Here we have all the products. Everything is in pink this month. And I also seen they had a rose Beautybox special edition, and if you are subscribed to Lookfantastic Beauty Box, you will get £10 discount. I will link it down below in case that you are interested on. Ooh. Our first product is an eyelash curler. To be honest, I have only one eyelash curler in my collection. And this is the Chibo Heated Lash Curler. I was planning to buy another one just for the reason that this is working on batteries, and sometimes I forget to change the batteries. When I want to curl my lashes, if this is not hot, it will not do anything. So from this reason I wanted to get a regular lash curler just to have it in case that I don't have battery with me. Oh, I would like to try it now. Emite, oh, it's what it is in French. Emite Rose Gold Eyelash Curlers. Curl your lashes to perfection with this ergonomically designed eyelash curler with a comfortable grip. This curved design fits a variety of eye shapes whilst minimizing risk of smudging any other makeup. The eyelash curler's rounded silicone rubber pad guarantees a lasting, intense curl. How to use? Gently clamp the upper lashes and firmly squeeze two clamps together to create a curl. Editor's tip: don't clamp your lashes for over 3 seconds, as this will crimp them, not curl. So only 3 seconds. And we have also some spare rubber bands, which is really nice. Okay, next product. Sleek Face Form Contouring and Blush Palettes. So, if you watch my January Beautybox, you know that this was featured as the sneak peek for this month. So I will open it for you. And not only this, while I was doing my makeup, I skip the bronzer, blush, highlighter step, so I don't have anything on my face. So we will try this together. If of course I will be able to open the box. This is how the packaging looks like. Really, really pretty and sleek, as it is named. And here we have those pen size, really generous size. So I'm really happy. I think I don't have anything in my collection to be like this. The blush, it's a bit shimmery, satiny, so it's not really on my eye, but we will see how it will apply on the skin. So first I will swatch them on my hand. Okay, so not so pigmented. So this is how they swatch. I will take a contour brush. I will zoom you a bit. No, where is my remote? I wanted to zoom you with the mirror. You don't mind, yeah? And let's finish this face look. First I will add my contour. Oh, I really like this. It's really good for contour. It is a cool tone and is really subtle, so you can go wrong with that. Now I'm gonna take a blush brush. And by the way, on this month the total value of the box is over £80. By the way, do they have some name? No, but it is in the shade Light 373. Yeah, unfortunately it has too much shimmer for my taste, because I have large pores on this area I avoid to put in any blush that has too much shimmer on it. I prefer matte blushes. Okay, so this blush, I won't probably use it so much. Oh my god, I applied this and I didn't refer to the booklet. Sleek Makeup Face Form Palette. A face shaping essential, this contour palette enhances the complexion. Containing a matte contour shade, a flushed blush and a dewy highlighter, this is a makeup essential perfect for defining your features. These lightweight yet pigmented powders blend easily into the skin, creating a perfectly diffused and healthy complexion. How to use? Use the contour shade to define your face, I already did, and add a flash of color to your cheek. Use a fan brush to apply the highlighter along the cheekbones. Wow, so I'm really good at this. I use a fan brush, I use a contour brush, so yeah, I'm really good. Why I need to refer to the booklet. Editor's tip. Apply the blush shade to the tip of your nose for a sun-kissed and healthy glow. I think I did this, I don't remember, but I think I did. What is here? A Lord & Berry matte lipstick pencil in Intimacy. Ooh, this is really pretty. This is a rosy nude shade. Lord & Berry matte lipstick pencil in Intimacy. Achieve highly pigmented color with this Lord & Berry matte lipstick pencil with a silky smooth formula that glides effortlessly onto the lips. This lipstick pencil delivers long-lasting coverage that will last all day. How to use? Use this lipstick pencil to line the outside of lips and then fill in with a lipstick. Editor's type. Take the advantage of the multi-use formula and use this lipstick as a blush. Whoa, I haven't thought of this, but this is a really good idea. Wow, it's so creamy. And look, if you are blending it, it blends really seamlessly. So maybe I will use this more as a blush than the real blush from the Sleek palette. We shall see. This is the product that I have seen on sneak peek. So it is from Kingsley. So this is Maximizer. Oh my god, thanks god it's not the elasticizer, because I'm really quite enough of those elasticizer. I don't like that product, so there is that. But a volumizing styling spray for fine and limp hair. Okay, I don't have fine and limp hair, but I can use some volumizing spray because I usually keep mine in a ponytail, and when I want to take it out, I don't have all the time the desired volume, so this is really handy. Right now I'm finishing my Sebastian volumizing spray, which is really good, and also I have it from a Lookfantastic Beauty box maybe 2 years ago. So I'm really happy they stocked me out with another product. I hope it is the same good as the Sebastian one. So Kingsley Maximizer, a volumizing styling spray for fine and limp hair. I said this already. Providing volume and body, this spray holds hair in place while smoothing frizz and adding shine. This is a spray that can be used on either wet or dry hair. This is a hair care essential. How to use? Spritz into the roots for a lift and spray through the mid-lengths and ends for a volume boost. Editor's tip. Use this on dry hair to set your style in place. Really generous size. And I haven't said before, but the Sleek and the Eyelash Curler, they are full-size products. This next. Ooh, I think this is a mascara. Punk Volumizer Mascara from Deuce. I think I have seen this brand before in Lookfantastic Beauty boxes. We have given some eyeshadows last year. Deuce Punk Mascara. Create fuller looking lashes with this lightweight yet smooth formula that creates long-lasting results without clumping, smudging or fading. Ooh. With a brush that has both long and short bristles, this mascara amplifies, separates, curls and coats lashes from root to tip. So this is exactly what we want from a mascara. How to use? Apply to lashes in small sections using the brush to separate and lengthen lashes. Editor's tip. Apply this mascara using a zigzag motion to ensure that each lash is individually coated. Whoa my god! So this brush is really fat. I don't know if you can tell, but it has a lot of volume. I will try to apply on my lashes, but I don't think so that it will do something, because I have applied a mascara 2 hours ago. One thing, okay, I already smudged it. It's a bit bigger for my eye shape, and I see the formula, it's a bit drier, so I will use it and I will update you how I feel about this mascara. So I really like the packaging though. And the last product, it is from Laszlo, Exfoliate and Detox Laszlo Deep Sea Matte Bar. Harnesses the therapeutic benefits of Dead Sea Matte with this detoxifying cleansing bar. Containing 26 minerals, this bar protects, restores and cleanses skin, leaving the complexion soft and radiant. Containing glycerin, this bar seals in and ensures optimum moisture levels. I think this is a really expensive brand. We have given before in previous boxes toners, if I'm not wrong, and also they had at some point a special edition beauty box on Lookfantastic website. How to use? Use following a cleansing oil as a part of double cleansing ritual. Dampen the bar and then massage over the face, creating a lather. A lather, not leather like leather, but a letter. So it's spelled L-A-T-H-E-R. Editor's tip. Use the contours of the bar to stimulate circulation and encourage lymphatic drainage. And we do get here 17 grams or 0.5 fluid ounces. So this will go probably with me on my vacation. Okay, so I think this is all. We don't have anything more. What we got? We got a face palette, we got a lash curler, a cleanser, a hair care product, mascara and a lip product. I couldn't be more happy, more pleased about this February month. Like every other subscription, they cannot please everybody. I said this even on the past month. Maybe I'm more happy because I'm toward makeup and I'm happy with this box. Maybe other people that are more into skincare, they are not so pleased with what they got on this February month, but for sure I'm really excited. So I hope you enjoy my review and unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Take care and I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye!